I thought I'd make a quick little demo on how to use the new Math add-on or add-in for those of you who are interested. And here's the URL for those of you who wanted to download this. Previously, when doing equations or math in Microsoft Word, you go to the Insert button and then come over here to the equation. To create your own equation, you press the pi symbol button, or to use a built-in or one of your own saved equations, you can come over here to the drop-down menu. And so I'm just going to do a quick simple one just to show you that it actually calculates once you download the add-in. So we have the insert button. The new one that will come up after you do the add-in is the mathematics button, which does pretty much the same thing except it has compute and graph, which now that you have the add-in, once you press the equation button, you also get the compute and graph button over here under the design tab for the equation tools. So just really quickly, something very simple, 2 times 9 equal, or just 2 times 9. And previously, all you could do is just do 2 times 9. But if you do the compute button and go to calculate, it'll actually calculate the answer for you in a subset of, or the next box is an equation. Whoops. The next thing we can do is on this one, I just threw in a quick equation. We can go to compute and actually solve for a variable, and it'll compute that way. It'll even do some calculus functions for us, which would be in this one the integral. We can compute this, and there we go. Now, if you don't want it in fractional form, you just press compute again, and it calculates it for you. This next one I put in to demonstrate how to graph. So we can either go to the design or mathematics, it doesn't matter. And you can also change all of these different things, decimal places, complex, real, radians, degrees, gradients, all of those. But I'm going to hurry and graph this, and it graphs in 3 dimensions for you. And it's really fun. There's all of these different ways to display it. You can take away the axes, the graph. You can make it into a wireframe, or you can color surface. And this is my favorite right here. It changes the display. And you can also change the window. And you can zoom in different directions, X, Y, or Z. And I really like this feature. I think it's fun. You can rotate your graph in any axis. There we go. And you can stop it and rotate it any way you want. And that's kind of fun. And then you can either save this graph or go back to the original. It just resets it. The downside to this is you can only do one graph at a time. So if you're looking for an intersection, it's not quite as advanced as what you would have for your own graphing calculator. So that is the one disadvantage, but it's pretty nice so far, what they've provided. This next one was just another demonstration on how to graph. This right here, I just threw in compound interest formula, and the one thing that I like about this is that I can go through and for some reason it's not bringing up my frame. Okay, so I'm just going to give myself a couple of spaces down here. Oh, there we go. Got the frame back. Okay, so right here we have different equation options, and we can save this. And right now it's really convenient. You can save it and then just tell about it, and then you never have to type it in again. When you come back into here, it'll show up as one of your built-in functions because you put it in there. And that's really convenient as well, so you don't have to type it in every time. Also, another thing I discovered is in typing it in, we've always done, let's insert, we've always come up here and done superscripts and fractions and different things like that. You don't have to do that. You can do it like you would in, let's say, like Excel. So let's just do the compound interest formula. A equals P Instead of coming up here and giving yourself a set of parentheses, you can just do shift parenthesis 1 plus, and I'm going to do r over n without getting my fraction bar, and just press the space bar, and it makes it look nice. It's the professional mode. Then shift 0 to get your other parenthesis, and then press enter or your space bar. And there you go, you get the larger set of brackets that enclose it all. Same thing with exponents, just doing shift 6 and Y, then pressing the space bar again. It makes it look nice. That's the professional mode right here. You can also do linear. I prefer professional. It's up to you, but it's kind of nice to have all of these different options and tools for you. That was just a quick demo. I am no expert on this by any means. I have noticed one thing when doing some of the large financial equations. If I end up with a really huge fraction like I did here, if it's like several lines long, it actually won't calculate it for you as a decimal, so you have to go some other method, either with your calculator or Microsoft Excel. So it does handle fractions up to a certain amount to give you the decimal. Anyway, so that's just the quick demo. Good luck and have fun.